discovered a DB1 file from a legacy database system. This is a database file from DataEase, one of the pioneering desktop database platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and recover data from these DataEase database files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering DB1, files with corrupted internal metadata. DB1 Files are database files created by DataEase, the relational database management system that was popular for business applications in the DOS and early Windows era. They contain structured data tables with field definitions, record data indexes, and form layouts used for business data management and reporting applications. DataEase DB1. Database files use a proprietary binary format, storing table schema definitions with field types, lengths and validation rules, followed by fixed-length record data blocks and index structures. The format supports multiple data types, including text, numeric, date, and memo fields with relational links between tables. The guiding principle for opening DB1 is to use DataEase from Sapphire International. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows displays only the file shell, while full content access requires a database application. To force file access, right-click your DB1 file and select Open With. If DataEase is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you cannot access the DB1 file, no problem. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your DB1 file from opening correctly. First, opening in DataEase. If you have DataEase software installed, open the DB1 file through the DataEase application interface. Navigate to the database directory, and DataEase loads the table structure and records. Browse records using the form view or table view, and run queries to search and filter the stored data. Next, extracting data. If DataEase is unavailable, try opening the DB1 file in a hex editor to identify readable text data within the binary structure. Some database recovery tools can parse legacy database formats and extract table data. Contact a data recovery specialist if the DB1 file contains critical business records requiring professional extraction. Finally, converting to modern formats. If you can open the file in DataEase, export the data to CSV or DBase format for import into modern database applications like Microsoft Access LibreOffice Base or MySQL. Select each table and use the export function to save records in a portable format. Verify data integrity after conversion by comparing record counts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.